Hello all. This is our project OTP verified blockchain based voting system, and this is our all these requirements for our project, and this is our blockchain setup, chain code fabric setup. While we are using dot hash network dot sh sh up means we are using this command to run the start the fabric network. And once we start the fabric network, we our blockchain records the all voters related details, and ready to take inputs from the back end of the server. And this is the docker connected command, which is useful for start the all databases connected to our server, so that we can store the user data, and user accounts and voter details and election results. All those data was stored in the databases, so that we can manage the data. We can see who is voting. All voter related data is stored in the docker. And this is the front end command we use it for our project. Actually we are running this front end on port number 3000. Actually how it this is how actually our project front end look likes. Here we see home registration, vote and results. First we has to register in the our platform. Once we got registered, we got uh, a voter ID. After that we can able to vote cast our vote. That thing we can discuss in further. And this is our project backend, where Redis and MySQL is connected. Redis is a type of software queue which manages the voters queue, which able to avoid the congestion while more number of voters came to the website. It avoids the congestion issue, make voting more transparent, and uh, no without any lagging. This one is running on port number 4000, and MySQL is used for database, storing our user data and all. Yeah, here we can see the implementation of our project. And also one thing we have to explain: we are using Docker desktop for run our all our Python blockchain related packages and everything and all. To run Docker, uh, we use Docker desktop, because while running all these blockchain related packages at in normal environment can causes dependencies issues. So that's why we choose Docker desktop to avoid any dependencies issues. So Docker desktop is very useful for us to run chain code fabric related packages and codes, like dev peer or organization one and databases, and Redis related code and MySQL. Everything we are stored here, everything um, without any dependency and updates issues. So that's why actually we using Docker desktop. Okay, let's go for the implementation of our project. Well, this is our project front end actually how look like. And first we has to once we need to vote, first of all we need to register for in our platform. We has to enter our other details. and also we has to enter our mobile phone number 92, and we have to select which constituency from which constituency we are going to vote. So here we see that the voter ID format is mismatched, so we has to enter again, re-enter again. So again we can register again, also it's showing same error. Let me check one time. Yeah, once we register we got an our voter ID. We can copy our voter ID and go to cast your vote. Once we got paste your voter ID. uh, Once we click on send OTP, uh, an OTP is sent back to our backend, which is formally come to your mobile number. Actually it will show in our backend server. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, this is the OTP came for regarding this voter ID. Here we can see this is the OTP got for this type of this voter ID. Once we can know the OTP, that's it, we can able to vote, we can cast our vote. Once we verify the OTP, so sometimes, wait, I'll check. We we entered wrong OTP. Wait, let me check again. I think this one is the valid OTP. Oh, so we can see that OTP also time limited. After some time we didn't enter the valid OTP, means we can't able to vote. So kindly check that. Yeah, once we see that once we enter the our OTP, we got uh, which party we has to vote, like candidate A, candidate B, party C, or related candidate related details. Once we check and cast our vote, that's it, we successfully done our vote.